Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the top 5 best non-stick frying pans available on the market right now. Whether you're a home cook or a kitchen pro, finding the right frying pan can make all the difference in your cooking experience. We'll break down the features, build quality, and overall value of each option so you can make an informed decision. You can find product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is another HexClad product, the 10-inch hybrid non-stick frying pan. This single pan offers the same innovative hybrid technology found in the 6-piece set, but in a more streamlined format for those who don't need multiple pans. With its tri-ply construction and aluminum core, this pan heats quickly and evenly, making it perfect for frying, sautéing, and searing. It's metal utensil safe, dishwasher friendly, and oven safe up to an impressive 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The tempered glass lid adds versatility, allowing you to trap heat and moisture while cooking. The design and build quality of this pan are excellent. The stainless steel body and laser-etched hexagonal pattern give it a sleek, modern look. The handle is ergonomically designed and stays cool during use, adding safety and comfort to your cooking experience. At 10 inches, this pan is versatile enough for a wide variety of recipes, from one-pot meals to quick stir-fries. Its compatibility with all cooktops, including Induction, makes it a reliable choice across different kitchen setups. While this pan offers great performance and durability, the $165 price point makes it less accessible to budget-conscious consumers. It's perfect for those who want a single, high-quality pan with lifetime durability, but it may not be the best option for those looking for a more affordable yet functional product. If you're serious about cooking and want a premium frying pan that will last, this is a great choice. At number 3, we have the Tramontina Professional 10-inch non-stick frying pan, a fantastic mid-range option that delivers professional-grade quality at an affordable price. Made from heavy-gauge aluminum, this pan ensures quick and even heat distribution, which is crucial for consistent cooking results. The reinforced non-stick coating provides effortless food release, making cleanup a breeze, whether you're cooking an omelet or searing meats. This pan is NSF certified, meeting high standards for safety and quality. The design is simple yet effective. The red silicone sleeve on the stainless steel handle adds a pop of color and provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. The sleeve is removable, allowing the pan to be safely used in the oven at temperatures up to 400 Fahrenheit. This frying pan is compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, though it's not suitable for induction. It's also dishwasher safe, adding convenience to your daily cooking routine. With a price point of just $34.95, Tramontina offers excellent value for money, making it ideal for both everyday home cooks and those who aspire to professional-grade cookware. The only downside is its lack of compatibility with induction cooktops, but for most users, this won't be a deal-breaker. Overall, this pan is durable, versatile, and affordable, a winning combination for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. At number 2, we have the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set, which comes with 2 pans, 10-inch and 12-inch, making it a versatile choice for both individual meals and family-sized dishes. The hard anodized aluminum construction ensures durability and even heat distribution, while the titanium non-stick coating makes cooking and cleanup effortless. One standout feature is T-fal's Thermo Spot technology, which turns solid red when the pans are properly preheated, ensuring perfect results every time. The design of these pans is functional and user-friendly. The riveted silicone handles offer a comfortable grip, and the vented tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food while trapping heat and moisture. These pans are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and are compatible with most stovetops, excluding induction. They're also dishwasher safe, which is a big plus for busy households. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or searing meats, these pans are up for the task. Priced at $56.73 for the set, T-fal offers excellent value for money, combining durability, performance, and convenience. However, the lack of induction compatibility might be a drawback for some users. Overall, this set is ideal for home cooks who want reliable, easy-to-use cookware without breaking the bank. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the SENSARTE Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet, a budget-friendly option that delivers impressive performance for its price. Featuring a Swiss Ilag nonstick coating, this pan is PFOA-free, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. The high magnetic conductive base provides quick and even heat distribution, making it suitable for all stovetops, including induction. At 9.5 inches, it's the perfect size for everyday cooking tasks like frying eggs, making pancakes, and sautéing vegetables. The design is simple yet effective. The wood-grain Bakelite handle stays cool during cooking and adds a touch of style to your kitchen. The sturdy cast aluminum build makes the pan lightweight yet durable, and it's easy to clean. Just wipe it down or pop it in the dishwasher. While it's oven-safe up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, its lower heat tolerance, compared to other pans on this list, might limit its versatility for some users. Priced at just $17.99, this pan is an unbeatable value for budget-conscious shoppers. It's perfect for beginners, students, or anyone looking for a reliable non-stick pan at an affordable price. While it may not have premium features, its performance and ease of use make it a great addition to any kitchen. For its price, this pan punches well above its weight. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the right non-stick frying pan for your kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future reviews. Have questions about these products? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.